All right, so this is a perfect time to talk about boots on the ground, or as we call it for short, BOG. So what is a boots on the ground? A boots on the ground is a person in that market, and whatever market you're marketing to, who can handle everything on the ground in that market, and that includes appointments. So who needs a boots on the ground? If you're doing virtual wholesaling, if you made that decision that you don't want to wholesale in your local market for whatever reason that is, you need a boots on the ground. Me personally, I'm in 5 different markets at the moment. I have a boots on the ground in every market, right? The beauty of that is you get to do everything from the seat of your home. I do everything from this seat. I market, close deals, everything from this seat because I'm able to hire boots on the ground in each market. Now, people make virtual wholesaling sound so, like a foreign hard object to accomplish or whatever it may be. The only difference is you have a boots on the ground in that market. The whole system, the whole cycle, everything we talked about so far, including everything we will talk about, is the same, except this one part, and that's the boots on the ground. That's it, guys. So next I want to talk to you about in the following chapters, I want to talk about how do you find them, how do you hire them, how much you pay them. I personally pay my boots on the ground $150 per appointment. And that's on the high end. You don't have to pay that much, right? Whatever you feel comfortable. You can do 75 to 100 to 150. Do some research maybe in that market to see, what people are going on appointments for. But me, I do $150 per appointment, right? It's not a large overhead. If I decide not to market in that market for a while, it's not like I'm paying a salary, but that $150 saves me a lot of time, and it allows me my flexibility that I can go in any market across the United States, place a boots on the ground there, and start marketing right away. That's the power of it. That's why virtual wholesaling is so attractive. But I want you to understand this part is all that's different between local and virtual. So we are teaching you the system. I'm teaching you the system. If you do want to do boots on the ground and do virtual, we're going to go over that in the next lesson as well. I'll see you guys there.